Hello everybody, PSA Breakers here. Ready for the final break of the night. We're doing a 6 cello pack break. Half a cello box of Mosaic Football 2020. We'll let everybody hop in the lobby here. Got about 1, 2, 3, 4 different people here. We got card pimps pimping out 5 of the spots there. And then we have someone in spot 2, Tyflo in spot 2. We got almost courtside in spot 1, and then Sterling Sports Cards in spot 7. Give everybody about a minute or two to jump in the lobby here, and we'll get going. I think the camera's working here, finally. It is. We're finally getting a focus. So we should be good to go here in a minute. Should be all set to go here in about a minute. We finally got the focus ready to go. Sorry for that, we had a delay. We couldn't get our camera focused. We are focused now. I know I'm focused. I was focused the whole time. My camera wasn't. I think we're all ready. Squared away now, so sorry for the delay. We are ready to go. Got the camera all focused in here. And we'll get started. There's tonight's list. Card pimps pimping out more than 50% of the board. They got 5 spots. We got almost courtside spot 1, Tyflo spot 2, and then Sterling Sports Cards spot 7. Tonight we're going to randomize the list 6 times. We're doing it 6 times, guys. I'm using this nice Braves, The Future is Bright 2018 update rookie card for Albies and Acuna. Use that to block my IP address. But we do have tier 4 pasted in. We're ready to go here. Good luck, everybody. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What are we doing? 6. All right. And 6. All right, tier 3. 6 times. Struggling tonight here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tier 2. 6 times. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then tier 1. I'll announce the teams after we do tier 1. If you're just coming into the lobby, we're doing it 6 times tonight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There it is. All right. Almost courtside. Appreciate you coming out. Appreciate you jumping into back-to-back breaks. Packers, Washington Redskins. You got the Cleveland Browns and the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Next up, we have Tyflo. As always, man, appreciate you. You have the Chiefs, Lions, Giants, and the New England Patriots. New England Patriots look awful right now. It's too bad because I am a Patriots fan, but they do not look good right now. It's too bad. Next up, Card Pimps controlling 5 sports, pimping out more than 50% of the board here. Appreciate you. As always, your big teams tonight. You get some good ones, obviously, with the Bengals, Dolphins, Cowboys, Vikings, and Steelers. Also have the Bills, Jaguars, Falcons, the Broncos, Cardinals, 49ers, Jets, Ravens, Eagles, Colts, Saints, Titans, Seahawks, Panthers, Rams, and then, like I said, your big teams again, Bengals, Dolphins, Cowboys, Vikings, and Steelers. So good luck to you tonight. Last but not least, we got Sterling Sports Cards. You got the Chargers, so a great team for you. Going for the Justin Herbert cards. Raiders, Henry Ruggs, good Tier 2 team there with the Raiders. Bears, and Texans. So if you guys have any questions, if you need to know your teams at any point, just let me know. But we're going to get on ripping here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cellos. Start it off. We got 1, 2, 3. We'll do these pink ones last here in the rotation. First pack. First cello pack. Good luck, guys. J.J. Watt. Good leadoff. Second card, Kyle Fuller, Bears. Chris Conley, Jaguars. Believe he scored today. Holy shit, guys. Back to back. Oh my god. Guys, back to back breaks with a Genesis. And this is the second Genesis CeeDee Lamb we've hit now. We got one going out to... So I'd love to send this out. This is going out to the Cowboys. Love to send this to PSA for you. Card Pimps with the friggin' CeeDee Lamb Genesis. Let's go. Whoa. Card Pimps. Let's go. CeeDee Lamb Genesis rookie card. Clean as night. Clean as day, baby. Let's go. Look at that thing. CeeDee Lamb, Dallas Cowboys. Rookie Mosaic. Rookie Genesis Mosaic. Cowboys, Card Pimps. Let's go. Holy shit. I thought it was a Genesis. I wasn't going to get my hopes up too much. It is a Genesis. And it's a friggin' CeeDee Lamb rookie. And we've already hit this one. So what are the odds that we hit both of them? You know, super short print. We hit 2 and, I don't know, that's just crazy. We'll take it. Old school, Troy Aikman. And then a Henry Ruggs NFL debut. It's a nice hit for the Raiders, too. Going out to Sterling Sports Cards. So we get some cards to show off right off the bat there. Crazy. Crazy. Card Pimps, I'm happy you're seeing that. That's awesome. Freaking awesome. Holy shit. Holy crap. Just got ourselves a friggin' card there. It's awesome. Congrats, guys. That's great. Great pull to start us off. That's a nice pull, too, Henry Ruggs. Obviously, my main concern is that CeeDee Lamb, we're going to one-touch that for you. Just give me a minute to do it. Putting this Troy Aikman in an old school and a sleeve. Cowboys. But obviously, the Cowboys is going out to Card Pimps. So we want to get the CeeDee Lamb taken care of. Nice little one-touch for you. It's a hit. A nice hit. That's crazy. Crazy. Congrats, guys. That's great. Great pull. CeeDee Lamb Genesis. Rookie card. Dallas Cowboys going out to Card Pimps. What a freaking hit. 2 good hits. First pack. Henry Ruggs. Sterling Sports Cards. But obviously this Genesis rookie CeeDee Lamb is a pull. Second time we've actually hit this card. That's a super rare card to hit. Worth a bunch of money. Hundreds of dollars on eBay. Especially a great condition like that. It's nice. Oh, what am I doing here? $3 to 800, yeah, exactly. So, Ty Flo, what up, Michael? What up, Mike? What up, McKinney? What up, dude? See that CeeDee Lamb. But your teams, Ty Flo, what up? You got the Chiefs. So you got the Kansas City Chiefs, arguably the Super Bowl champions, the team that's probably gonna, most people think are gonna go back to back. You got the Detroit Lions. The Detroit Lions tonight won a big game, last second game with the Detroit Lions today. You got the Giants. Giants look terrible this year. And then you have the Patriots. Patriots look terrible as well. So Ty Flo, you have the terrible-looking Patriots, the terrible-looking Giants, the Lions that just went 3-3. They're looking like they're kind of saving their season here. And then the Chiefs, who look like the best team in football. Chiefs, Lions, Giants, Patriots. But the CeeDee Lamb going out to Card Pimps with that huge hit. Huge hit. Start us off. First pack, too. That was the first pack of the break, and it was a huge hit. Huge hit. Crazy. Congratulations to Card Pimps. That's awesome, guys. No doubt. Len Dawson. Chiefs. Benderesh. Cowboys. Melvin Gordon, first year on the Broncos there. James Conner. Steelers. We have a nice touchdown, Masters, Jerry Rice. And then the nice base, Chase Claypool, rookie card for the Steelers. Another great hit for, another great hit for Card Pimps. Steelers, Chase Claypool, one of the better wide receiver rookies in a stacked wide receiver rookie class. Let me take care of that. It's a nice one. Going to top load this, and this one's going on the top 3. Yeah, it's crazy, dude. CeeDee Genesis, man, that's nuts. 2 breaks now of having a nice. It's crazy that I think we've only had like 3 Genesis, and now we've had 2 rookies, and 2 of them were CeeDee Lambs. It's just crazy. What are the odds? That of the 3 that we've hit, 2 of them have been the same card, and it's been a great card. CeeDee Lamb. Crazy. Jerry Rice, 49ers. Card Pimps. What a start. Pink pack. As I drop it up. Sorry about that. Let's see what we get. Probably a CeeDee Lamb in here. Nope. Something in my eye. Nick Chubb. Miles Sanders. And then we have a Barry Sanders Hall of Fame. All right, cello number 2. Yeah, 2 breaks. Have a break with 2 Genesises. That two cards, Genesis cards. That'd be sick. Can't talk tonight. Sorry, guys. There's something in my eye too. I don't know what's going on. But 1, 2, 3 packs. Julio Jones. Matthew Stafford. Dwayne Haskins. We got a green on green, Devontae Parker, green mosaic. We got a nice will to win, Patrick Mahomes. Nice hit for the Chiefs, Ty Flo. We have a nice NFL debut, Jordan Love, Packers. All right. Will to win, Patrick Mahomes. It's a nice hit. Patrick Mahomes, Ty Flo. We have that green mosaic, Devontae Parker. Second pack of the second cello here. Doing rather well. Keep it going. Let's keep it going, guys. Cole Beasley, Bills. Andre Johnson, Texans. Joe Namath, Jets. LaDainian Tomlinson, Chargers. We have an old school pack here, but this is a old school flea flicker. No longer on the Jaguars. Leonard Fournette. We got a Gardner Minshew and a DJ Chark Jr. That's a Prism flea flicker. And then a nice Brandon Ayuk, whatever the hell you say his name. But it's a nice rookie wide receiver card here for the 49ers. Nice card. That's what you want for the 49ers. We're going to have to move the 49ers out of Tier 4. Going to have to move them up either to Tier 2 or Tier 3. That's a nice hit for Card Pimps. Yeah, Patrick Mahomes. If anybody has a will to win, it's definitely Patrick Mahomes. That's for sure. Dude is a beast. Seems like how many... Just got to wonder how many championships Patrick Mahomes is going to win. Is it going to be 1? Probably seems like it's going to be an awful lot more than 1. 2, 3, 4. My guess is going to be 4. If I had to guess how many championships Patrick Mahomes will win, I'm going to guess 4. See if he can go back-to-back, though. We have this flea flicker. Jaguars. Nice hit for the Jaguars. Another good hit for Card Pimps. That's what happens when you pimp out the board. Controlling more than 50% of the spots here. Most of the hits go to you. Appreciate you. 4 championships? Yeah, I'd say 4. It's tough to win them. 1 injury, you know, and things can change. Things can change rather quick. You lose your arm, lose arm strength. You're not as fast as you were. But we'll see. Needs to stay healthy, and the team around him needs to stay good. They're also going to have to start paying him a lot more money, so his contract starts getting bigger and bigger. So less money for the players around him, so they might not be able to have the same team they once had or the same team they have now. Because they got to pay him more and more. Stephon Diggs, that's a good first-year card for the Bills. Bills tonight, Card Pimps. Deebo Samuel. Second-year card for him. 49ers. Harrison Smith Pro Bowl. This is the third cello pack here. One, two, three. All right, let's start a nice one. Herman Moore, Detroit Lions. DJ Moore, Panthers. Tyler Lockett, Seahawks. We have a silver prism, Marshall Faulk. Derrick Henry, will to win, excuse me. And then we have a nice T. Higgins, Bengals. I like that. It's a nice hit for the Bengals. Obviously, you want to see a Joe Burrow, but T. Higgins is a beast. Dude is tall as hell, fast as hell, and is a beast. Great rookie card here. I saw this kid play today, and he looked like a beast. Card pimps. I like this kid a lot. Nice rookie card here. Bengals. This wide receiver class is really filthy. This wide receiver class is really deep. A lot of great players this year. Out of a bunch of different rounds, too. Wasn't just the first round that has talent. Second-year players have talent. And on this year. A lot of players. A lot of good receivers this year. Coming out of the rookie class. Second pack of the cello. Having a great break so far. We'll definitely do a great recap to end it out here. See what else we can get. Get an Amari Cooper. Cowboys, Michael Vick. Falcons, Stephon Gilmore. Patriots. Dwayne Haskins, Redskins. We have a flea flicker. Cowboys, Ezekiel Elliott, Dak Prescott, Amari Cooper. And then a Tua NFL debut. Tua makes his NFL debut about a week from now. Next Sunday. Look out for that. That's a nice hit for the Dolphins. Nice hit for Card Pimps. So Card Pimps obviously killing it tonight. Appreciate you guys. Nice two. We're going to have to show that off. We have 3 cellos to go. Three cellos to go. You can see it there. Doing rather well right now. Dallas Cowboys flea flicker. Card Pimps. Cowboys showing out tonight. Marshall Faulk. Silver Prism Mosaic. St. Louis Rams. Obviously that goes to the Los Angeles Rams. Card Pimps. Will to win. Derrick Henry Titans. Card Pimps. We had that Patrick Mahomes from earlier. Ty Flow. And then we have another pink pack here. Good luck, guys. All right, Leonard Fournette. Bobby Wagner. And then we got a rookie here. NFL debut, A.J. Dillon for the Packers, Green Bay Packers. Nice hit here. Almost courtside. Almost courtside. We had the Jordan Love for the Packers earlier. NFL debut. Now we have a nice NFL debut. Pink Prism for the Packers going out to almost courtside. Top loading that right now for you. Boom. All right, next cello pack. This is cello pack number 4. Let's continue it. We're killing it tonight. 1, 2, 3. First pack of the 4th cello. Chandler Jones, Cardinals. Von Miller. LaDainian Tomlinson. We have a green Mosaic rookie card here. It's a green Mosaic Van Jefferson for the Los Angeles Rams. Rams tonight going out to Card Pimps. Take care of that. We have an Ed Reed old school. Deshaun Watson Pro Bowl. So we have some cards to take care of here. Van Jefferson green Mosaic. Rookie card. Take care of that. Rams hit. We have the Deshaun Watson Pro Bowl. Texans. Sterling Sports Cards. Old school Ed Reed Ravens. Card Pimps. Card Pimps. Second pack of the 4th cello. Kid Reporter. Got a Marlon Mack. Colts. Tyler Eifert. Bengals. Ben Roethlisberger. What a difference it makes this year with Ben Roethlisberger back on the Steelers. Definitely needed him back. You can see what a difference, all the difference in the world a good quarterback makes for a team. Could give respect out to Ben Roethlisberger for how good he is. Zach Thomas, Dolphins. Then we have a nice Ricky Williams, green Mosaic rather. That is a Ricky Williams silver. A Ricky Williams silver Mosaic. That's a nice card for the Dolphins. Tonight, the Dolphins are with Card Pimps. Another great card for you, another nice silver. We have a Javon Kinlaw, 49ers. Card Pimps, rookie card there. Then we had that card, Super Bowl Kid Reporter. Take care of that Kinlaw. We had that Ben Roethlisberger. Steelers. Card Pimps. And then a nice silver Mosaic. Ricky Williams. Nice hit for the Dolphins. Card Pimps. Move over, Dolphin. We're getting another Dolphin in here. There we go. Alright, guys. Bonus pink pack here. This is the 4th pink pack of the break. Let's get some more rookies. Jordan Hicks. Ryan Tannehill. And I do believe we have a rookie here. It's an NFL debut. Jacob Eason for the Colts. Card Pimps. Alright guys, 5th cello pack of the break. We got 1, 2, and then the bonus pack there. First pack of cello number 5. Dak Prescott, Cowboys. Calvin Ridley, Falcons. Mike Allstott, Buccaneers. Taysom Hill, Saints. We have a Prism Touchdown Masters, Peyton Manning, Broncos. NFL debut, Tua. That's the second one. Guys, 2 NFL debut Tuas. You can see the one right up there as well. We'll take that. That's a score for the Dolphins. That's a score for, I believe, Card Pimps. Card Pimps with the Dolphins. Kid Reporter. So 2 NFL debut. Tua's kind of ironic. Tua making his NFL debut on Sunday. Good luck to Tua. Coming back from a major injury. Gotta cheer for the kid. Hopefully he does well. Here we go, Tua. There's another one. Boom. Dolphins hitting tonight. Alright guys, pack number 2 of cello number 5. Kerryon Johnson, Lions. We have a Traymon Edmonds, Bills. Josh Jacobs, second-year card for the Raiders. Take care of that. We have a Chris Conley Green Mosaic. Will to win Josh Jacobs. In the same pack as the base Josh Jacobs there. And then we have a nice Jalen Reagor rookie card for the Eagles. Looks to be in great shape. Good hit for the Eagles. Good hit for Card Pimps. We'll take it. Take care of it right now for you. That's a first-round pick for the Eagles. Hopefully he comes back from injury in the next few weeks. Good hit, though. Kid's got a lot of potential. Boom. Haven't seen too many of these. I think this is break number 42 of Mosaic Football. Probably only seen this card like 2 or 3 times. Seen his NFL debut a bunch more. We also had that will to win. Josh Jacobs. Josh Jacobs definitely seems like he has the will to win, that's for sure. Then we had the base Josh Jacobs. Then we had the green mosaic. Chris Conley for the Jags. And then we had the Prism Touchdown Masters for the Broncos, Peyton Manning. And we are on to the last cello pack, but before that, we might as well do the pink pack, huh? So the 5th pink pack. The 5th pink pack of the break here. Let's get some more rookies, hopefully. And then we're on to the last. Oh, wow. I don't know if you guys saw that. But Amari Cooper. Terry McLaurin, excuse me. And then a pink prism rookie, Justin Herbert. did I mention that I do PSA submissions? Especially at a break like this. But, wow, we're having ourselves a break, guys. We already hit a card that's worth hundreds of dollars with the Genesis CeeDee Lamb. Second time we've hit that. Now we got ourselves a pink prism, Justin Herbert for the Chargers. Justin Herbert looks like he's the best quarterback this year in this year's class. If not, that's Joe Burrow looks great too, but Justin Herbert looks great, man. Pink prism rookie here. Great hit for Sterling Sports Cards with the Chargers. Another great hit. We're going to have to break out that one touch again tonight for you. That's how well we're doing. Give me a second to do it. That's a good thing. Means we're hitting. Still got a cello pack to go here too. Then we will recap a great break. Like I said, did I mention I do PSA submissions? I'd love to submit this for you. Get that PSA 10 for you. And probably the number one guy you want to get this year, if you ask me. Justin Herbert. Kid's a beast. Obviously, it's not the number one card of the break, but definitely the number two card of the break. And a great break it is. Justin Herbert, pink prism. Mosaic. Hell yeah, boys. Still have a cello pack to go on the break too, so we're doing rather well here. It's going to be a rather nice recap. Alright, guys. Here we go. Last cello pack to do here. Let's keep it going. What a great break we're having so far. A good way to end the week here. Good way to end the weekend. A great break. 1, 2, 3 packs here. We'll do the pink packs last. Last pack of the break. First pack of the pack of cello pack number 6. David Montgomery, Bears. Mark Brunell, Jaguars. Darren Waller had a touchdown today for the Raiders. Great game. There we go. Silver Prism, guys. Silver Prism rookie card, Jalen Reagor. I was talking this kid up earlier. Beast. Eagles. Great hit for the Eagles. Great tier 2 hit. We are having ourselves a break tonight. Jalen Reagor, Silver Prism rookie card. Mosaic for the Eagles going out to Card Pimps. I think I ran out of one touches, guys. I'm not going to lie. That's how good we're doing. Killing it right now. Barry Sanders, old school. We'll take care of that. Mark Andrews, Pro Bowl. Must leave that one up. Guys, we're hitting hot. We're freaking killing it tonight. One of the better Mosaic breaks. Doing really well. Old school, one of our better Mosaic football breaks. We are killing it right now. Absolutely killing it. Old school Barry Sanders, and obviously the Jalen Reagor Prism, Silver Prism Mosaic rookie card for the Eagles. Alright guys, we're going to recap it after the last 2 packs here. We have the second pack of the last cello, cello number 6. Having ourselves an amazing break. You guys can see why we love these cello packs so much. Look at all that heat. Look at all that rookie power. Bunch of rookie phenoms there. Different colors, prisms, Genesis, silver prisms, pink prisms. Killing it tonight. Jarvis Landry, Browns. Looks like Odell Beckham's hurt. I don't know how serious the injury is, but not good there. Matt Ryan, Falcons. TJ Watt, dude's a beast. Steelers. Mike Gesicki, Dolphins. We got a Derrick Henry touchdown Masters. That's a nice card for the Titans. Card pimps. And then a Patrick Queen. Haven't seen this card too much. This is probably like the second or third time I've seen this. Break number 42. Mosaic Football. Baltimore Ravens. Card pimps. Patrick Queen. Rookie there. And we had this touchdown Masters. Derrick Henry. Alright guys, last pack of the break, then we recap. Let's get that last pack magic. But wow, what a break it's been. You can see the top 5 so far. Let's add another hit to it. But wow, a lot of cards besides that too. A lot of great rookies, a lot of great inserts. We hit 2 Tua NFL debuts tonight. So we're killing it. Doing rather well. Yeah, do it again here. Teddy Bridgewater. Pink. Prism. Had a good game today. We have Taysom Hill, Saints, and then another hit here to end the night. You know it. NFL debut, Justin Jefferson for the Vikings. Nice hit for the Vikings. Nice hit for Card Pimps. The reason why they're a lower tier, tier 1 team. Justin Jefferson is a beast. Vikings, NFL debut. Card Pimps. We recap right now. Give me a minute to organize. I'm going to show off this Justin Jefferson. Then I'm going to organize it. Then we'll recap it to close the night. Appreciate you guys. A lot of good hits tonight. We killed it tonight. You can see there what I mean by that. An absolute killing tonight, guys. We destroyed. Absolutely destroyed. Just need a minute to organize here. Here's the top loaders. We'll go over those second. We're going to go over the sleeve cards first, then the top loaders, then the top 5. Let's do it right now, though. A bunch of sleeve cards to go over as well. So sleeve cards, then the top loaders. Then you can see the top 5 there. We destroyed tonight. Ben Roethlisberger, Steelers. Josh Jacobs, Raiders. Mark Andrews, Pro Bowl. Ravens. Deshaun Watson, Pro Bowl. Texans. We had a green mosaic, Chris Conley. Green mosaic, Devontae Parker. Will to win, Josh Jacobs for the Raiders. Will to win, Derrick Henry, Titans. Touchdown Masters, Derrick Henry, Titans. We had a Prism Touchdown Masters, Peyton Manning for the Broncos. We had a old school, Barry Sanders, Lions. Old school, Ed Reed, Ravens. Old school, Troy Aikman, Cowboys. We had a rookie, Patrick Queen for the Baltimore Ravens. And then we had a Javon Kinlaw, rookie for the 49ers. As far as the top-loaded cards, see them there, big stack there. Not counting the top 5. We had a Will to win, Patrick Mahomes, Chiefs. Jerry Rice, 49ers, Touchdown Masters. We had a nice Brandon Ayuk, San Francisco 49ers. This kid's a beast. Rookie wide receiver. Another beast, rookie wide receiver. There's a bunch this year, like I said. T. Higgins, Bengals. We had another beast wide receiver rookie, Jalen Reagor for the Eagles. Another beast wide receiver rookie, NFL debut, Justin Jefferson. Pink Prism. We had a silver Mosaic, Ricky Williams for the Dolphins. We had a green Mosaic, Van Jefferson rookie for the Los Angeles Rams. We had a St. Louis Rams going out to the Rams, Marshall Faulk, silver Prism Mosaic. Flea Flicker, Dallas Cowboys, Ezekiel Elliott, Dak Prescott, Amari Cooper. We had a we had a Prism Flea Flicker, Leonard Fournette, Gardner Minshew, DJ Chark Jr. We had a Pink Prism NFL debut, Jacob Eason, Colts. We had the A.J. Dillon NFL debut, Pink Prism for the Packers. We had the NFL debut, Jordan Love, rookie card for the Packers. NFL debut, rookie card, Henry Ruggs III for the Raiders. Hall of Fame, Pink Prism, Barry Sanders. And then we had a Tua. We actually hit 2 of these. But we hit 2 Tuas. NFL debut, Dolphins. Card Pimps. As far as the top 5 goes, you guys see we absolutely destroyed tonight. Just because we just hit it 2, but they'd say either 4 or 5 would probably be the NFL debut, Tua. We hit 2 of them too, so that helps out. Card Pimps with this. We had the Chase Claypool, Steelers, Card Pimps. It's a nice rookie card here. Dude's a beast. We had that Jalen Reagor, Eagles, Card Pimps. This is a silver Prism Mosaic. Rookie card, Jalen Reagor for the Eagles. Beautiful hit here. Then we had the Chargers Sterling Sports Cards with the second best card of the break. You guys know it's a great break if this is the second best card in the break. Justin Herbert, Pink Prism, Mosaic, rookie card for the Chargers. Justin Herbert absolutely destroying it this year. Like I said, if this is number 2, we're having ourselves a great break. Other cards are great too. But Chargers, Sterling Sports Cards, destroying right now. Awesome card. And then another amazing card, guys. The best card of the break. The best card of an amazing break. Couldn't thank you guys more. I appreciate you guys so much. Couldn't do it without you guys. Being able to pull now the second CeeDee Lamb Genesis rookie card we've pulled. It's a great hit going out to Card Pimps. Had themselves a great night. They owned more than 50% of the board. And they did well tonight. Appreciate you guys as always. Thanks everyone for coming out. Thank you guys for signing up for the break and joining up, tuning in. Appreciate you guys so much. Like I said, couldn't do it without you guys. Bunch of hits here tonight. We had that beautiful Justin Herbert. We got this sick blue Genesis CeeDee Lamb. Goes perfect with that blue Dallas Cowboys colors there. It's back-to-back breaks now. We've hit Genesis cards. In the break earlier tonight, we had the mega box of Mosaic Basketball. We hit a Genesis to that. For sure, bro. Yeah, I'll get this out. But now we're hitting the second Mosaic Genesis in a row here. Back-to-back breaks doing it. Doing it like within almost an hour of each other. This one's a lot better. This one's a rookie Genesis. And not only is it a rookie Genesis, it's a fire rookie. This is a CeeDee Lamb, one of the better receivers in a stacked wide receiver class. So, couldn't go out to better people. Card Pimps, I appreciate you guys so much. Appreciate everybody, though. Thank you guys so much for coming out. Thank you, everybody, for joining up on the breaks, for tuning in. We're going to have another break, a week of breaks. Probably going to be posting them most likely on Facebook for the most part, maybe Instagram here or there. And then we're going to be doing the lives on YouTube. Appreciate you guys so much. Hope you guys have a great week as we hop back into the Matrix. And yeah, so have a great week. We'll see you tomorrow night for some more breaks. We'll probably post a baseball. Probably do a baseball break kind of to end out the year with baseball in the next day or two. But we're going to continue to do the Mosaic basketball and the Mosaic football breaks. We've been killing it with those, and we're going to continue to hopefully have some success. So tonight, 2 one-touch cards. It's always good to have that. We had the Justin Herbert, CeeDee Lamb. Someone take a screenshot for me. We're killing it right now. Let's go. Justin Herbert, CeeDee Lamb. That's some color right there. We get that pink and that blue. That's some hits. Thank you guys so much. Hope you guys have a great week. We will be doing breaks all week long. Like I said, Mosaic football. We got Mosaic basketball. We got the Mosaic basketball mega boxes. We got some hanger boxes. We got blasters. And then obviously, Mosaic football. We got ballasters. We got mega boxes. We got cello packs. And we got hangers. So we're ready to rip. Topps Chrome break coming soon. Topps Chrome Bum and Chrome break coming soon to end out the year in baseball. But should be a busy week as always. Card Pimps, congratulations, guys. Hope you guys have a great week. This is a good way to start the week, that's for sure. And then Sterling Sports Cards, congratulations. That's a good way to start the week, too. So, Tyflo, bunch of good hits, too. As always, I got you, bro. But thanks for coming out. And almost courtside. Got that Jordan Love for you. A couple other cards as well. So, appreciate you guys. Hope you guys all have a great night, great week. And we'll see you soon. Stay safe. Be well. And congratulations to everybody with the big hits. This beautiful Justin Herbert and the Genesis CeeDee Lamb. I can't believe we hit it. And I can't believe we've done it now 2 times in the past 2 weeks. We've hit a CeeDee Lamb Genesis rookie card for the Dallas Cowboys. What are the odds of that? So thank you guys so much. We'll see you soon. And be well. Thanks.